Hey gang, it's Jesse over here at EC Auto Repair. I want to talk to us about rear differentials and transfer cases. Transfer cases are actually what makes you have four-wheel drive, taking the transmission power and being able to transmit some of that power to the front wheels. So one of the things that I feel like is often overlooked or observe as being often overlooked is the transfer case and the rear differential. So say for instance that we'll actually replace a transmission, or maybe we'll actually do a service on a transmission. It's pretty easy to forget what else is in the rest of that powertrain system. So we got the transmission here, we got the transfer case here. The transfer case allows us to have a drive line to go to the front axle. So then we automatically have a front differential up here, and then we have the rear differential back there. So in order to do a great service on an actual powertrain system, you need to service the transmission. You need to service the transfer case. We actually have a special fluid that's designed just for the transfer cases. And then, of course, service the rear differential and the front differential. Just like any other system, the very first thing that always wears out is the fluids. It just chemically happens. The fluids are always the very first thing that breaks down. One of the things that causes them to break down is heat, moisture, dirt. Those three things will lead to fluid breaking down. You can obviously tell this is a fleet truck, this is a work truck, it's been in a lot of mud, it's been in a lot of dirt. This truck has drove a lot. So this would be considered a severe use case, right? So those services need to be done at least every 30,000 miles to keep this truck dependable and running in great shape. If this fluid service is done when it's supposed to, the chances of him actually needing a rear differential or transfer case or something like that, the chances are very nilch that he'll actually need those because he's been staying on top of his maintenance. So I'll see you in the next video.